Hello guys, welcome to today's session on Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher and also updates on some new cards. So the word for the day is MERKLE, MERKLE. To get our M, we are going to long press twice. To get our E, we are going to tap. To get our R, we are going to tap, long press, short tap. To get our K, we are going to long press, short tap, long press. To get our L, we are going to short tap, long press, short tap, short tap. And then to get our E again, we are going to short tap. That is our MERKLE. And then you can take your prize. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now let's head over to some of the new cards that has been released. Aside an exception of that, like you already know, profit per hour is what you really need for your launch and for your allocation of tokens. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead to buy some new cards and see how I can increase my profit per hour. Then I'm going to also help talk about some of the new cards that were released today. Now if you go under specials, sorry, let me buy some cards first. You can see, so under specials new card, you see there are already a $250 million of us. This means that Hamster has crossed over 250 million users. Hamster has crossed over 250 million users so far, and their goal is to reach 1 billion users, which won't be possible during this first airdrop, but might likely be possible in the second phase of the airdrop. Now this is another new card that says the final has come, which was supposed to indicate the final Euro games today that was against between Spain and England, which ended in the favor of Spain. And those are the two major cards. There were 3 cards released today as well. I can go ahead and buy some other cards and increase my profit per hour. So do well to watch out for the cards I'm buying, and you can also do same and buy same for yours. Don't forget, increase your profit per hour, and then subscribe to the channel if you are new and haven't subscribed yet. It is very important. Please subscribe and show us some love. You can also subscribe to the membership of the channel, and like this video, share and follow through with the video process. As you can see, some of the cards I'm buying that has good profit per hour. You can also buy those same cards in order to increase your own profit per hour. I'm aiming at getting to 2.1 million profit per hour in this video. As you can see from the start, I was at 2.06. So I'm aiming at increasing to 2.1 million in this video. So watch it and also do same for yours. Subscribe to the channel once again. Thank you.